glorious morning, you all. I hope you all are in well condition. I am Rifat Mansari saying over the mic. I am extremely privileged to welcome Mr. Shan Malik over the mic to sing national anthem. So you all are requested to stand up at your place and sing the national anthem together. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I am Mohammad Shan Malik, student of 8th standard. Now I am going to sing the national anthem, so please stand up and sing the national anthem together.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Jana Gana Mana Adinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkal Banga Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga Uchal Jaladhi Taranga Tav Shubh Naame Jage Tav Shubh Ashish Mange Gahe Tav Jaya Gatha Jana Gana Mangaladayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Jaya He Jaya He Jaya He Jaya 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 He. Sit down everyone.